everyone, this is my review of these Bridgetown solar lights. The LED light is just the right brightness, not too harsh, but still bright enough to illuminate the yard at night. I love that they're solar powered, which means no extra wiring or electricity costs. They turn on and off automatically when the sun goes up and down. Once you flip the switch on, you can just leave it and not worry about it. The installation is a breeze. Just stick them in the ground and you're done. Or you can put some adhesive on the back of it and stick them to a wall or any dark areas you like to have them illuminate. They're waterproof and they holds up good in inclement weather and stuff. These lights are perfect for your outdoor space. Love the area, and I hope this review helps.